Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be solving another SQL problem. Problem number 2356, number of unique subjects taught by each teacher. Let's take a look at the problem statement. We're given a table called teacher. This table has three columns: teacher ID, subject ID, and debt ID. The combinations of columns subject ID and debt ID is the primary key for this table. Each row in this table indicates that the teacher with the teacher ID teaches the subject ID in the department debt ID. Alright, so our task is to calculate the number of unique subjects each teacher teaches in a university. Let's take a look at the example. So in this table, teacher table, we have teacher ID number 1 and 2. And this teacher teaches two subjects, subject ID number 2 and subject ID number 3. And this subject ID number 2 belongs to two different department ID. Similarly, for teacher ID number 2, this teacher teaches four subjects. And all four subjects belongs to one department ID. The output, we should see the count of total number of subjects that the teacher teaches. So teacher ID number 1 teaches two subjects, as you can see here, subject number 2 and number 3. And for teacher ID number 2, this teacher teaches four subjects, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to count 4 as explained here. Alright, so let's solve this problem. This should be a very simple problem to solve. We're gonna do select. We need to get the teacher ID and the count. As you can see, the subject is duplicated, so we need the count distinct subject ID per teacher ID. Count distinct subject ID, and we call this column count CNT from teacher table, and we're going to group by teacher ID. Alright, so let's run this one. Alright, so the output looks good. Let's submit it. Make sure we pass all the test cases. Alright, so I passed all the test cases. Runtime 942 milliseconds, beats 49.84% of users with MySQL. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.